going to work today on the worksheet cell functions. You can find this in the class notebook. You can also complete it directly in the class notebook, or you can print it out in the PDF form and you can complete it that way. Submit it by scanning your pictures and attaching it to the assignment. If you're having trouble with how to find your assignments and how to attach your assignments, look in the class chat that I started today where you need to check in for your attendance and make sure that you can find your assignments. So let's take a look at what you're going to be working on today. This is going to help you prepare for what I want you to work on tomorrow. We've kind of done some of this when we were talking about things in class and as we went through the PowerPoint. So today what we're going to be looking at is how can the functions of the cell be compared to the functions of the organs in the human body. So this is just a little brief background and review of what we've talked about with the cells and the cell organelles. Cell organelles function in similar ways as organs in the body. When compared to the human body, the nucleus is the brain of the cell and stores information for each individual cell. Another example is the skin of the human body, which is used to protect the organs, but it also aids in waste removal through the pores. The cell membrane is similar to the skin, as it protects organelles and allows waste to be removed. Certain functions are necessary for each type of cell, while others are specific for specialized cells, such as the chloroplasts in plants. Humans are heterotrophs, who have to eat their food, not make it themselves, from sunlight, so they have no organs similar to chloroplasts. In this lab, you will match the materials below to the functions of the cell organelles. And you can compare the functions of the cell organelles to the functions of the human body. So what you're going to do is you're going to take these here. We have the cell membrane, the vacuole, the nucleus, the mitochondria, the cytoplasm, the lysosomes, the ribosomes, and the endoplasmic reticulum. You're going to take these organelles, and I've listed their functions here for you. You're going to take those, and on the second page here, you're going to see all of the organs of the different in the human body. So when we look, we have the brain, gives instructions like the, and then you're going to have to look back at your list of organelles here, and you're going to have to match up which one would go with the parts of the human body. So we're using an analogy. Remember from English, an analogy is where you compare one thing to something else. So in this case, we're comparing the human body to the parts of the cell. So if we look at the brain's what controls the body, it's what runs everything in the body, and it gives instructions like the. So if we look back at our list here, we have the cell membrane, encases the cytoplasm and protects the organelles. A vacuole is a membrane inside the cytoplasm holding fluid for the use of the cell. The nucleus, the organelle which stores the information, stores the instructions for each cell's development and function. That sounds like our best option. Because the mitochondria breaks down nutrients and creates energy. The cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance that holds the organelles in place. The lysosomes are an organelle containing enzyme that breaks down and digests waste. Ribosomes builds proteins needed to repair damage in the cell, or the endoplasmic reticulum, which transports materials through the cell. So I still think our best choice there is nucleus. So what we want to take and do is the brain is like the nucleus, because this gives instructions and runs the body just like the nucleus runs the cell. You're going to go through and you're going to do the same thing with each of these. There are 2 questions you then need to answer. There is one at the bottom where it is fill in the blank. And Then there is a reflection question on the last page. Go ahead and work on this. This is going to help you get ready for the analogy part that we're going to work on tomorrow. We're going to compare it to a city. I'm going to leave the live version open. If you need anything, you can contact me through Teams. Make sure you email me, make sure you send a chat, whatever it is you need. I'll leave the live feed open. If you're confused or you need anything, you can let me know. Doing okay there, Briley?
Yeah.
You got it. I'm sure you got it. You're a really smart girl. I'm assuming you understood everything I was going over there.
Yeah.
Okay. Wonderful. If you have any questions, hon, let me know. You don't have to stay logged on to the meeting if you're ready to go ahead and get started on your work. You can go just do that.
Okay.
Okay?
Bye.
Bye, Riley. Take care, hon.
You too.